Hello guys, what's up? Hope so you all are fine. So without wasting your and mine precious time, let's get started. Hello guys, in this video I am gonna tell you about the best widgets apps for iPhone, so let's begin. Hey there! Want to customize your iPhone like never before? Meet Widgetsmith, the app that lets you create beautiful, personalized widgets for your home screen. With Widgetsmith, you can choose from a variety of widget styles and sizes, adding a unique touch that reflects your personality. Whether you want to display the weather, your calendar, or even custom photos, the possibilities are endless. The app is super user-friendly, allowing you to effortlessly customize colors, fonts, and layouts. Plus, you can easily update your widgets with the latest information, so you're always in the know. And don't forget the stunning aesthetic options. Transform your home screen into a personalized work of art that's not just functional but visually appealing. So, ready to level up your home screen? Download Widgetsmith today and start creating widgets that are uniquely you. App download link is provided in the description for your convenience. Now we are heading towards the second app of the list. Hey there! Ready to personalize your device like never before? Meet Lock Screen and Home Widgets, the ultimate app for customizing your lock screen and home screen. With this app, you can create stunning widgets that showcase everything from the weather and calendar events to your favorite photos and reminders. Make your screens truly yours. The easy-to-use interface lets you choose from a variety of styles and layouts, ensuring your widgets fit perfectly with your aesthetic. Plus, you can update them with real-time information, so you're always in the loop. Want to make a statement? Customize colors, fonts, and sizes to create a unique look that stands out. So, if you're ready to transform your device and express your style, download Lock Screen and Home Widgets today and start designing your perfect screens. App download link is provided in the description for your convenience. Now we are heading towards the third app of the list. Hey there! Looking to elevate your device's style? Meet Widgetopia, the app that brings you customizable lock and home screen widgets like never before. With Widgetopia, you can design stunning widgets tailored to your preferences. Choose from a variety of styles and functionalities, whether it's displaying the weather, your calendar, or even your favorite quotes. The intuitive interface makes it super easy to personalize colors, fonts, and layouts, ensuring your widgets reflect your unique vibe. Plus, with real-time updates, you'll always have the latest information right at your fingertips. Want to create a cohesive look? Mix and match different widgets to craft a home screen that's not only functional but visually stunning. So, are you ready to transform your device? Download Widgetopia today and start customizing your lock and home screens like a pro. App download link is provided in the description for your convenience. Now we are heading towards the fourth app of the list. Hey there! Looking for a smarter way to manage your time? Meet Fantastical Calendar, the ultimate app that makes scheduling effortless and fun. With Fantastical, you can easily create events and reminders using natural language input. Just type or speak what you need, and watch as it instantly converts into a beautifully organized entry. The sleek interface offers a variety of views, day, week, month, or even a year, so you can see your schedule at a glance. Plus, with seamless integration across all your devices, you'll never miss an appointment. What's more, Fantastical includes powerful features like weather forecasts, to-do lists, and customizable alerts, ensuring you stay on top of your game. So, if you're ready to take control of your calendar, download Fantastical today and make organizing your life a breeze. App download link is provided in the description for your convenience. Now we are heading towards the last app of the list. Hey there! Looking for a fresh way to check the weather? Meet Hey Weather, the app that makes weather tracking fun and easy. With Hey Weather, you'll get accurate forecasts and real-time updates right at your fingertips. The sleek, user-friendly interface displays current conditions, hourly forecasts, and extended outlooks, all in a visually appealing design. But what sets Hey Weather apart? Customize your experience with stunning widgets for your home screen. Choose different styles and sizes that match your aesthetic while keeping you informed. Plus, you can easily switch between multiple locations, so you'll always know what's happening wherever you are or plan to go. So, if you want to stay ahead of the weather in style, download Hey Weather today and embrace the forecast like never before. App download link is provided in the description for your convenience. Hope you find this video helpful, so make sure to leave a like and smash that subscribe button.